beside me I have two guests. Let's introduce yourself.
I'm Jen.
And I'm Josh.
I invite two of my friends from America. I think a lot of people, they want to know like what inspired your journey, your travel journey.
So that was a particularly weird one for us, I think.
Yeah. Our journey has really kind of taken us down some crazy paths. I mean,
so we're in I'm in my early 30s. He's in his mid 30s. But I was working in retail. I had a full-time job. Josh as well.
Yeah, and I'm a former research scientist, so I have my PhD in molecular biology, and so I was working at a university for a while.
So we had the job, the house, like everything we kind of always wanted and worked for. And then it came to the point, like, do we buy a house? Do we start having kids and all this stuff? And we just thought, I'm not sure that's what we want right now.
We weren't ready for that yet.
Yeah.
So,
we made the big step to just like, what have we always wanted to do with our lives? And one thing I've always wanted to do, my dream was just to like live at home and be a snowboard instructor and travel the world and stuff. My dad says, no, you gotta get a real job.
Yeah, my mom told me as well. You gotta get a real job, okay?
Yeah.
And Josh always wanted to be an author. So like, maybe we'd try it. And
yeah, we never really actually tried to achieve our dreams, and so we had an opportunity to really make a real effort to live the lives we wanted.
That's really cool. What's the difference within Malaysia and America? Can you share more about like what's the difference so far, what you see and what you try?
Well, quite a bit of stuff, of course. But
Yeah, I mean, obviously food has been very different here. We've been trying out all sorts of different restaurants. Everywhere we go, we try to make a real effort to eat like the local food. You know, what do the people who live here actually eat? Instead of just going to Western restaurants all the time.
Yes.
I did go to McDonald's once.
Oh, okay. We did do that.
Don't go, okay.
The raw moments.
Yeah, one moment, yeah.
Maybe have something different.
Yeah.
Yeah, we tried something,
different. Yeah, so we had the stingray is popular here, right? So we had
Steamer?
stingray.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So that was a lot of fun, delicious, and curry.
We went to a curry house. We tried to eat with our hands.
The Malay food, right? I mean the curry rice.
Yeah. I didn't realize how hard it was to eat
Yeah,
rice
we've never
with my
done
hands.
this
I've
with
never
our
done
hands
it.
before. It's very different.
I mean, you guys can take it spicy food?
A lot better.
Sort of.
But,
Yeah, we're getting better at it.
It's getting better, right?
Yeah.
So at least, except of food, what else you can see? What's different?
I think the biggest thing has been the people in general. Where we're from is pretty well known for we're the friendly Americans, I guess. We smile at each other everywhere we go. We say hello and that sort of stuff. But I have never seen the kind of like politeness and kindness and giving that I've seen since I've been here in Malaysia. It's just everywhere. It's not just the hotel clerks and you and all these great people. It's just someone on the street. They see us lost. They're like, oh hey, just go this way, and don't expect anything in return. And it's just the coolest, most inspiring thing. I love it.
Yeah.
Yes, true. We just want to help all the people. I think there's a lot of people they want to know.
Yeah.
Because sometimes traveling, you need to spend a lot of money.
Yeah.
I mean, how do you guys afford to travel?
And getting started was hard. We did have to save up.
Yeah. We had spent a lot of time saving before we ended up quitting. We knew sometime before. It wasn't like we just did it one day. So we planned it out a little bit first. But since then, we've been doing our best to keep the budget low. And one way we do that is by house sitting everywhere we go. It's been really nice.
So we're on housesitters.com. Or trustedhousesitters.com. We also
Sorry again, trust?
Trustedhousesitters.com.
Oh, trustedhousesitters.com, okay.
It's a way you just spend, I think it's like, there's a small fee at the start of the year, but it pays for the whole year. And then otherwise you get free people to watch your pets and watch your house while you're gone. And we get a free house to stay in. So right now we're staying in this beautiful, beautiful home. in Kuala Lumpur.
Oh, okay.
And we've got, you know, our own bedroom, our kitchen. It's like having a regular home. And we've got a little dog to play
And
with,
a dog to play with.
and
Wow.
she's so cute.
So
Yeah.
it means you get a house and food or what? Some
No
money?
food.
Basic
Usually,
food.
yeah.
We'll use their like milk and
Sometimes,
eggs. And,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
But they're gonna pay you or how?
No.
Oh,
for
okay.
free.
They
But we don't
provide.
have to pay for a hotel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Understand.
Yeah, so we can cook at home.
Can you share more a bit like what's your feeling right now? I mean like after you quit your job and keep traveling and keep moving. That means what's the feeling? Happy or how?
I feel like it's like different all
Can you
times
try
of
to
the day.
express the feeling?
Yeah. Every day it's kind of new. It's a little bit different. So like you say, some days, yeah, it's like, what did we do?
What did
You
we do?
know,
Oh my
we start
God.
to freak out. And then other days we're just happy. We're free. You know.
And I think that's
because-
most days, yeah.
Yeah, that's most days because we get to decide what work we want to do. You know, we both work online. You know, she has the blog. I've been writing. But we can do as much or as little as we want. Right now, we're the ones who get to decide, and that feels great.
And for once, I feel like we're stepping towards goals that we can actually achieve. You know, we always wanted like, oh, maybe we'll get this type of house in this type of town or whatever. And realistically, I don't think we were going in that direction. And so, but now maybe we'll not do well at all. That's totally likely.
And that's all.
But what if he does become a famous author, or what if?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, what if the blog takes
Why
off?
not?
Yeah,
You can do it.
exactly.
It's true.
Yeah.
I mean, for one thing, you know, like we kind of said earlier, it's never too late to make the change. You know, you can decide if you want to travel and you know what sort of work that you want to do. And really, in the end, it just comes down to making a plan and executing it. It sounds kind of cheesy, but it really is kind of that simple. You just have to decide that that's what you truly want and make it happen.
It's that breaking it down. It sounds so simple and stupid when really we know in our mind it was not an easy decision to make.
Yeah.
But you know, really, just take a second. What are the consequences at the end of the day?
Yeah.
You know,
What's the worst thing that's gonna?
we're out of work for a year like that. I mean, that's pretty bad, but it's just a year, and we're not starving. We're not struggling. Things are going okay, and everything could be okay. It could be. I mean, so far it is for us.
So far
but-
it is.
Stay positive.
Stay
Just
positive, yes,
It makes a big difference.
Yeah, don't worry, be happy. You never try,
Yes.
you never know.
right.
That's
All right.
Yeah, if you're interested at all in following us on our stories, I have a blog at theplaceswe.live. Don't forget the dot in there, everyone does. But the places.we.live, and we just got back from China. We're here in Kuala Lumpur for another couple weeks, and then we're off to Thailand. And so please, we'd love to have you.
Yeah.
We're so happy to be here.
Yeah, but what I know, Josh, because you are saying you want to learn some Chinese, right? Am I right?
Sure.
Okay. So for our lastly, what about we just talk a little bit of Chinese in Mandarin?
Okay.
I'm a Chinese teacher right now. Okay. 谢谢大家，我们下次再见。Okay, that's what I say. 谢谢大家. I think that's it. 谢谢大家.
谢谢大家.
Yeah, that means like thank you very much for all of you.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
谢谢大家. Okay. What about we just you try first? 谢谢大家.
谢谢大家.
That's good. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. So I hope you guys you love it this video, and please share to your friends. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you.